In this video, we will learn how to enhance our conversation by reading books. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English with Nancy Convo. The topic is that we are going to learn today, that is travel plans, conversation. So here S1 denotes for first person and S2 denotes for second person. So basically here we are going to learn conversation between two persons, first person and second person. So let's start. Conversation A. First person. I have to take a trip by air next week. Second person. Do you like to fly? First person. I don't know because I have never flown before. Second person. You will probably like it very much. Conversation B. First person. I have to go home next week. Second person. How will you go? By car. First person. I will probably go by air. Second person. You will get there very fast then. Conversation C. First person. Are you going on a trip next Saturday? Second person. Yes, we are going to Washington. First person. Are you flying or going by train? Second person. We are traveling by car. Conversation D. First person. How will you travel to Los Angeles? Second person. We will go by plane. First person. How long will it take? Second person. It will take about 5 or 6 hours to get there. Conversation E. First person. What time will you leave your house? Second person. Leave around 7:30. First person. How are you going to go? By train or by bus? Second person. Neither. I am going to drive. Means they are not going by train and also not by bus. They are going to drive. They are going by car. That means they are going by car. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana. And also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. Go and check it. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that we come up with more boosting information.